Hello, I'm Sidhant. This is a 5-term daily banking series for the bankers to empower the bankers or the bank related. This is helpful in the for the bankers as well as for those who are preparing for the any certification exams or the any competition, even for the bank IBPS or any banking exams. This is helpful because in a question paper in some way or to the other in the interviews, these questions are asked by the person to know the awareness of the person in particular. So today the five terms are MDR, which is nothing, the merchant discount rate, E-Kuber, National Payment Corporation of India, Rupay, and the fifth one is cryptocurrency. First, MDR. What is MDR? MDR stands for merchant discount rate. So why this MDR comes into picture? Why the merchants some amount are discounted? First we will see what is MDR. Let's see, you went to shop something, and at the point of sale you paid 10,000 of rupees to the shopkeeper, but the shopkeeper will get 9,750 rupees only is credited in their bank account. Where this 250 amount gone? This gone to the middleman. The middleman is nothing but a Visa or Master, and very recently Rupay. I have also taken Rupay because it's indigenous. We have to support this, we have to encourage this. In the Indian scenario, as we will save so much amount of money, and this amount of money are still are with the India's. Here you are seeing that 2,250 rupees went to the went outside our country, which is detrimental to some extent to our economy. So we as a Indian, we as a citizen, we have to support the indigenous things as much as we can, so that it can flourish, or it will help, or we can be the part of our goodness of the country's development. So this the third party, or you can call the middleman, takes this 250 rupees. Why they are taking 250 rupees? Because they provide the platform. In the previously, when they were not there, the bank 1, bank 2, point of sale 1, point of sale 2, shopkeeper 1, shopkeeper 2. What they have to do? They have to link, they have to make relations with every now and then. So it's a very messy one to have the relations or talk to everyone, to have to allow the payment and all. So in order to ease these things, the Visa, Master or the Rupay comes into picture. What it does, it will take the database of all the bank, and it will connect all the shopkeepers together, so that there are only one way or either way to do the transactions. So this is MDR, merchant discount rate. Here even in the current scenario, the government are asking to the banking companies or requesting this third middleman or the third party to decrease this MDR to encourage the digital transactions in India. But the shopkeepers are adamant that we will not pay so much amount of money. So government had put some restrictions or put some norms in order to have a very less amount of MDR by the shopkeeper to pay, so that the digital economy could be encouraged. Next is E-Kuber. In every banking, whatever bank you are working, they have a CBS system, the core banking system. In the core banking system, what it does, it will give the present situations of the particular account or the transactions at a particular time. It will reflect at that time when the transaction is done. So RBI uses this E-Kuber as its CBS system. E-Kuber takes control of lots of things, but on our bank perspective, it takes care of the NEFT and the RTGS of all the calculations side. It is taken care by this E-Kuber. So you just have to know this. The next is NPCI. The NPCI full form is National Payment Corporation of India. See, the payments are regulated either by the Reserve Bank of India as a NEFT or RTGS, or NPCI. The most famous UPI is constructed by the National Payment Corporation of India. The BHIM app is introduced by the NPCI. Also the Bharat Bill Payment System, the QR code, everything is done by the NPCI under the PSS Act 2007. Yes, 2007. The Payment and Settlement System Act. The next is Rupay. As we have said, the Rupay is the indigenous third-party platform which provides the database or the connections of the shopkeepers to do the transactions efficiently and effectively. What it does, the Rupay has an advantage. The server or the database which it kept is with the Indians or kept in India. And in the Visa and MasterCard, there are chances that the data, which is very sensitive as far as the economy is concerned, because it's economical data, the account data, which is very much important for the person. So this is kept in India. This is the advantage of the Rupay. So next is cryptocurrency. More as the time, the next term is cryptocurrency. Why this cryptocurrency are in news in the recent days? Because it is offering some advantages which is not offered by the cash economy or the digital transactions. What cryptocurrency is doing? In the cryptocurrency, what we have a decentralized system. In the other digital payment, we have a centralized systems. What it does, it has its server, and the server contains lots of data at one place. If it is hacked, then everything will got hacked. But in the cryptocurrency, that's not the case. Even if at some decentralized position it will hacked, it is difficult to, or it's impossible to trace out the links or the other things related to that decentralized server or decentralized things, because the data are stored at the person's places and all. So this cryptocurrency is very much encouraged by the government of India, but the Bitcoin is not encouraged, because Bitcoin is in some of the cases Bitcoin are not as good for the Indian economy. So the process by which the Bitcoin found, that is a cryptocurrency concept, is being thought by the government to implement in India in every field, like in hospital, in everything. They want to implement this cryptocurrency concept, but the Bitcoin is not encouraged in India. That's it. Thank you.